Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I'm moving over to the right, choosing Quick Links. In the middle of the menu, I find Email, Office 365. When that window appears, I am going to the Teams app. I am looking for the file that will help me get into the Zoom meeting, which will be occurring on Tuesday, the 5th of May. This is a previous meeting. This is not Tuesday, the 5th of May. I make sure I am in the correct team. The Origami Dragon, Walton's Dragons. I'm going to Files, where I see there is a Zoom meeting for today, the 29th of April, and a Zoom meeting for May 5th. This is the one we are going into. How to access the meeting on May 5th. I see here the date of the meeting highlighted. I see the time of the meeting. In red, I see the link for the meeting. In green, there is the meeting ID, which is also in the link. And then there is a password. I'm going to highlight this portion, which is the link. I actually held down the control button and then clicked the link with my mouse because I couldn't seem to get it to highlight. This is the meeting. I would launch by Open Zoom Meeting, and Mrs. Walton has set the settings so that you can join the meeting before the meeting begins. Malathar will be in our meeting on Tuesday, the 5th of May. Again, here's how you get to Tuesday, the 5th of May, Zoom. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I travel to Quick Links, open my Office 365, choose the Teams app, when that appears, I want to make sure I am in the correct team. Looks like I am, Walton's Dragons. I'm going to choose Files. I'm coming down here to the date, which is wrong. It should say 5/5/2020. I will change that. When I get here, I will hold down the control button on my keyboard and click the link that is in red. That will launch the meeting. I will open Zoom Meeting, and then I can join the Zoom meeting with Malathar. However, Mrs. Walton needs to change the name here because it is not April 5th. Tuesday is not April 5th. It is May 5th. And you can see right there, I have it changed. This is Mrs. Walton out.